Hello, niece and nephew. In today's video, we are going to make real Asian egg fried rice. This is your Uncle Randy. Alright, 2 ingredients. Leftover white rice, fresh from refrigerator. Then some salt. Make sure to use your feelings when adding the salt. Okay, then you beat some egg. In this case, we're gonna use 2 eggs. Really fresh eggs. Take them all out. It's a real life skill to learn how to beat eggs. Alright. Beat it out. Beat it. Beat it hard. This is your main ingredients in today's video and not some Jamie Oliver bullshit. You put some more salt on the rice. Yes, again, use your feelings. Then, we're gonna use MSG, no seasoning, for you. You know what they say with MSG? It's never enough. MSG is king of flavor. Alright, we're gonna add some garlic. I'm gonna use my 5-star Michelin cutting skill. Yeah, I've learned this long time ago. Practiced 5-star Michelin cutting skill. You see, I can teach you masterclass, but you need to pay me. For you. Money come. Then we heat oil in wok. Make sure to use some real Asian wok, not some stirring, frying pan bullshit. You need to put oil in wok. Make sure it's hot. Then you put the garlic. Put garlic on the wok. Put the oil. Make sure it's in the whole wok. There's your garlic. Make sure it's golden brown. The more garlic, the better. Never enough. But this is all we got. Gonna buy later. More garlic, more flavor. My friend say that. Now I put the egg. Put the egg. Because this is an egg fried rice. This is the way our ancestors made it. Asian ancestors. Written in some hieroglyphics. Then the main ingredient go in. But stir first. Stir. This is how you make egg fried rice, niece and nephews. Gotta put the main ingredients. Alright. Put the white rice in, not some bullshit brown rice. Good for the health. Then you mix it. Mix it like you mean it. Put some more. If I have some more. If I could eat this every day, I'll eat it. Leftover, the best for ya. That's it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for the 8 million subscribers. This is your Uncle Randy. Stir. Make sure to, what you call it, all the flavors in the wok. Make sure the rice absorbs all the flavor in the wok. I'm holding the camera so I cannot turn, what do you call that? For you! More MSG for you!